Do you love banana pudding? Do you love ice cream? Do you wish there was a way you could have some sort of a delicious amalgamation of the two? And wouldn't it be nice if eating it could actually help you to lose weight? Well, it's no fantasy. I'm going to show you how to make it right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds through a combination of mindful eating and daily walking, and now I'm just trying to maintain my weight and stay in shape. And today I'm back with another recipe for the Ninja Creami. I love this machine. I have made so many different delicious ice creams with it, and today I'm going to show you how to make a banana pudding flavored ice cream. It's made with real banana, it's very low in calorie, and it's quite tasty. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Well, we're making banana pudding ice cream, so naturally we've got to have some banana. So I'm going to take about 70 grams of banana. I like it when it's about like this, when it's ripe, just starting to get a few of these spots, but not, you don't want it to be mushy. You don't want it to be too ripe. So this is kind of the sweet spot, I think. So I'm going to break it up, and I've got my NutriBullet cup here on the scale so that I can weigh out 70 grams. Almost there. Probably gonna be most of this banana because this is not a huge one. All right, there we go. And I'll just eat the rest. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. This has no fat and it is high in protein, low in calories. There we go. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 2 tablespoons of a 0-calorie sweetener. I've got monk fruit and erythritol. A pinch of salt. This is just a little less than 1/8 of a teaspoon. And finally, to give it that banana pudding flavor, I've got 8 grams of Jell-O Zero Sugar Banana Cream Flavored Pudding Mix. And that's it! I know some of you are thinking, wait a second, where's the egg yolk? Because I normally put an egg yolk in. Well, I forgot to put some in the previous batch I made. It actually turned out pretty good. And since some people have asked, well, can we do a recipe without egg yolks? I'm like, fine. This would work just fine with an egg yolk as well, but I'm doing it today without, and it's actually going to reduce the calories a little bit. So this is going to be only 175 calories total. All right, let me go ahead and get the NutriBullet blender, and we will blend this up. I just realized I forgot to put my apron on, just like I forgot the egg yolk last time. ADHD. Hang on a second. The power of editing. Let's blend this. Okay, got the blender. Let's go ahead and screw on the blades. Give this a little swirl. I just like to help mix it a little bit before I put it on there. All right, let's blend up some ice cream mix. You spin me right round, baby, right round like a record, baby. Sorry, I won't do that again. All right, and there's our banana pudding ice cream mix. Next thing we'll do, go ahead and put it in the Ninja Creami pint. Carefully open this up, and let's pour that in there. All right, now just put on the lid and stick this in the freezer overnight. And as always, I already have a pre-frozen one mixed and ready to go. So let's go ahead and make some banana pudding ice cream in the Ninja Creami. So here is our frozen pint of banana pudding ice cream. It has been in the freezer for at least 24 hours. And I took it out and let it sit out for about 10 minutes before putting it in the machine. You can also run it under some hot water. Today I just let it sit out. Turn this on, and we're gonna go with the light ice cream setting. All right, here we go. All right, we are done with spin number 1. Let's see if we need another. Take a quick look. That looks pretty good. Let me check the texture. That seems pretty good. I think I want it just a little softer. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of milk, and we're gonna spin it one more time on the respin setting. Now, of course, you could eat it just like that. I just want it a little softer, so 1 more spin. All right, we are done with the respin. This will likely now be just the way I want it. Yeah, there we go. That's that beautiful, smooth consistency that I like. Nice, smooth banana cream soft serve. That is the stuff. So this entire container right here is only 175 calories for all of this, all of that banana pudding goodness right there. But I want to kick it up a notch. I'm gonna add some fat-free Ready Whip. This stuff is super low in calories. Per serving, it is only 5 calories. It says 2 tablespoons. I don't know exactly how to measure that. I don't want to just put it into tablespoons and dump it in here. So I'm just gonna spray some in. There. that is plenty. I don't know exactly, what do you want to say there? 6 tablespoons? So maybe 15 calories. I'm just gonna add more. You know what? I love adding whipped cream on here. This stuff is low in calories, so I don't care. If you really want to be picky, please, that's your business. Do you. This is how I do me. I love having all of the whipped cream and the banana flavor. Speaking of which, I'll go ahead and try some of this. Banana and ice cream. Oh man, let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. I mean, come on. You gotta have the whipped cream. That makes it taste so much like real banana pudding. This is delicious. It is sweet. It's refreshing. It's good. So, not counting the Ready Whip, we have 175 calories for the ice cream, 28 grams of carbs, 0 grams of fat, and 14 grams of protein. Not bad at all. Now, the Ready Whip doesn't add any additional protein. I didn't really bother with the macros on that, but like I said, it's kind of a little bonus thing. But it's so low in calorie, I don't mind. And I encourage it because I eat this stuff all the time and I'm doing all right. If it's not your thing, don't worry about it, but I like it. Yeah, I like this, and you should give it a try too. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Cog Shred for more recipes and more videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your ice cream. I know I'm gonna enjoy the rest of mine before it all melts. That's what happens, I talk too much. All right, I'm gonna stop talking and start eating. You too. Keep on eating, everybody.